Weather briefing time. Hello everyone, I'm Chief Meteorologist Mike Hurd with an on-demand storm tracker forecast, getting ready for some harsh winter weather building this weekend. Right now, a high pressure ridge is keeping things fairly calm and quiet throughout the Pacific Northwest, extending into Montana. So Thursday and Friday above normal temperatures, but everything is moving up and over the top of the ridge, grabbing some colder air. Then eventually these storms are going to be dropping southward right into Montana. So here comes a push of modified Arctic air. It's going to be much colder than average, but it's not going to be extremely cold, but cold enough that it's going to produce mainly snow or some flash freezing of wet roads. Could become very icy Sunday morning into Sunday afternoon. The colder than normal weather is going to continue into most of next week, especially east of the Continental Divide, as long as this north-northwest flow continues to sit over Montana with that blocking ridge pattern off the Pacific Northwest coast. So let's take a look at the timing of our global forecast model. And here comes a cold front dropping right down on top of Montana Friday evening into Saturday morning, hitting the high line first Friday night, catching up to the I-90 corridor by Saturday morning around 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. But the whole thing will push deep into Wyoming and into Idaho, so the entire southern half of Montana will be looking at more snow Saturday night and into Sunday morning. And then that northwest flow just continues to bring these little shortwave disturbances in, and so we'll continue to pick up some periodic off and on snow as we go through most of next week. Now, as I highlight the snowfall forecast model, I'm going to keep the numbers off here for now because this is going to change over the next couple of days, but I do want to emphasize along the Rocky Mountain front and in the general Great Falls, Lewistown, Helena area, that's where we're expecting to see a bullseye for some moderate to heavy snow. Backcountry in the Absaroka Beartooth Wilderness area is likely as well. But across southwestern Montana, lesser impacts, but we do expect to see at least a chance for some off and on snow showers and accumulations and wet roads icing up. Right now, winter storm watches are up Friday evening through Saturday evening along the Rocky Mountain front and Continental Divide, and I do expect to see additional highlights up, some advisories or some winter storm watches for the rest of southern Montana in time. So be prepared for, again, some difficult, challenging travel this holiday weekend across the entire state of Montana.